And Toronto Tower, hello Pakistan 781 Heavy, establish on the ILS 23.
Hello Pakistan 781 Heavy, Tower, continue number 1 for runway 23, heavy traffic in position, wind is 310 at 19, gusting 24.
Copy that, Pakistan 781 Heavy.
India 188, wind is 310 at 19, gusting 25, free takeoff runway 23. Pakistan 781, wind is 310 at 19, gusting 26, clear to land, runway 23.
Clear to land, runway 23, Pakistan 781 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, clearance, clear to Oscar Papa India Sierra, C.5 departure, Bob to transition, direct Mike Tango, and then flight plan route, departure runway 23, squawk code 2212.
Destination Oscar Papa India Sierra, C.5 departure, direct Mike Tango, Bob to transition, runway 23, squawk is 2212, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, so C.5 departure, then Bob to transition, and then direct Mike Tango flight plan.
Dog 5 departure, Bob to transition, direct Mike Tango departure, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, that's correct today.
Toronto Pearson, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, clearance.
We're fully ready for push and start.
Okay, contact Apron on 12287.
12287, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, Toronto Apron, hello, pushback, tail south, advise ready to taxi.
Pushback approved, tail south, Pakistan 782 Heavy. Toronto, good evening, Pakistan 782 Heavy, approaching Alpha Juliet.
Pakistan 782 Heavy ground, runway 23, altimeter's 3007, taxi Alpha Hotel.
Runway 23, altimeter 3007, and taxi Alpha Hotel, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, monitor tower 1187.
Monitor tower 117, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, tower hello, line up runway 23.
Line up runway 23, Pakistan 782 Heavy. Hello.
Pakistan 782 Heavy, wind 300 at 15 gusting 22 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Takeoff runway 23, Pakistan 782 Heavy.
Pakistan 782, contact departure 128 decimal 8. Hey.
128 decimal 8, Pakistan 782. Toronto departures, Pakistan 782 heavy, Sea-Dog 5 out of 2000.
Pakistan 782, heavy departure identified, climb flight level 230.
Climb flight level 230, Pakistan 782 heavy.